G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fillet and skin an Aussie salmon. Now guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please click the link above to subscribe and join in the fun weekly. Now let me show you how to fillet and skin that salmon. Okay guys, we've got our Australian salmon. Now I've taken the liberty and knocked out the gill and the gut section while I was out on the water today. So it makes no difference when you're filleting. You'll do exactly the same whether you've got the gut still inside or not. But bringing it home I thought it'd be a lot cleaner to take the gut and gill out. So what you need is I find a little stiffer knife works quite well. Just come in under that fin there and run forward, watching your hand, up towards the head, like so. Then roll the knife till you click on the backbone, and you should be able to just follow the knife all the way down against the backbone, cutting away from your hand. And a nice sharp knife is fairly important. Okay, so there's one nice fillet. I'll just put that aside. Then I'll roll him over and do exactly the same to the other side. Come under that fin, cut forward, drop the knife in till you hit the backbone, roll, and then just simply follow the knife all the way down along the backbone. Now these are called Aussie salmon. They're not actually really a salmon. They're a species all their own. They're not in the salmoid family. They're known in New Zealand as Kahawi, but here in Australia we call them Aussie salmon. And there we go, a beautiful fillet of salmon. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean that up. So I'll get rid of the frame. Okay, I've given the board a wash, guys. I'll bring the fillet back on. Now, this is the rib cage area here. We're just going to drop the knife under the bones. You can see the bones there. And just going to drop out the rib cage, like so. I'll put that fillet aside. And now, let's do exactly the same to this side. Again, taking the rib cage and the gut lining out and cut through the scales. Now, Australian salmon have got quite large scales, which makes them fairly easy to fillet and fairly easy to skin. So there's two beautiful fillets. All right, now if we're going to do later on we're going to do a fish curry for you. So what I'm going to do now is just show you what I do to my salmon to prepare it for cooking also. So like I said, we're going to take the skin off to start with. So easily just drop the knife in under there, down to the skin, give yourself a little nodule to hang on to, and then just slowly slide the fillet towards you without moving the knife. There we go. And there the skin comes straight off. You can see the heavy bloodline. We're going to remove that. Then what I do is I run the knife down the centre of the fillet, like so, and then down the bone line through the middle, or what we call the bloodline, and just lay the knife over a little bit, and you'll take out that thick section of blood that you can see there. So I'll put that aside. Roll your fillet over, and just want to remove a bit of this blood, because it is fairly strong in cooking. There we go, there's one nice fillet. I'll put that aside and do the same here. Just remove that thick blood. Okay, so there we've got two beautiful fillets. So if I was doing my curry, what I would do then is I just cut these into chunks, like so, to go into the curry. And do the same on this side. So if you want to find out how to cook the curry, you'll have to tune into that clip when it comes out in a couple of weeks. So I'll put our cubes aside, I'll put them into a bowl, and then I'll bring on the other fillet. Now we've taken that rib cage out, we'll do the same thing. We'll knock off the skin first, run it all the way through, flip him over, and there we have it. Pretty simple. Again, knife down through the bone, remove that fillet, down through this side, and take out the bloodline and the rib, some of the bones in there as well. Turn him over, remove that blood, just get a little bit of it off. You don't have to worry about taking it all off, but just remove some, because like I said, it is fairly strong flavoured. Now, I have cooked these quite a few times just by cutting them into pieces like so, and cooking them dusted in flour. But that's as simple as it is, guys, to fillet and skin a salmon.